Hey, I gotta change something. It's showtime! Oh, I was good. I didn't have to change anything because the first clip wasn't pro. And that means my DB gain wasn't 10 dB. So now I'm on pro. And I adjusted the 10 dB back to 0 dB. And I'm using my Tech microphone. And I'm not sure if I can get noise canceling of the other one off. I'm not sure how to press it. I read it. It wasn't that hard to do. I got it on. I'm not sure when it's on or off and all that good stuff. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining the show. Yeah, man, I know to keep the Pro on when I want to use it. I could do customs, and I could switch back and forth between my video default mode to the customs mode. But, I gotta go hit so many buttons to get to it. One button, that is. Quick switch. You hit it, C1, C2, and whatever you got connected after that. If you got up to 5C customs, and then you go to photo and video. So imagine you do 5 and you want to switch back to default video. You got to hit the button 7 times. I want to set up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I want to set up again. I got to go, 1, 2, 3. And then I want to set up again. I got to go, just got to go, keep hitting the button. Dogs, stay off. No dogs are here today. Nice and quiet sometimes. Well, there's one dog, it's like a poodle dog, and that's yeah, and then, it's just talking. It's telling you a story. I hope you get to understand it. Yeah, I had a problem with Apple, man. We had a good talk. Oh, they understood me for sure. And why isn't Apple not coming out with shortcuts to your phone? So let's say you get a call and you got all those 6 buttons on there. You want to arrange it in your own order. You can't. They changed you got it, the audio that's on this side, and they moved it over here and they put a face and then they did everything. All you gotta do is just press it and move it. Well, nobody put this on here. These buttons, man. I don't know how that came on. I hate this phone because it could be in my pocket and it could be on. And you never know about, my butt's burning. My phone was on. It's sounding like a GoPro more and more, isn't it? Now you know where GoPro comes from. They figured out that they might as well make a Bug Pro camera. Speaking of GoPro, did you know they filed for a patent, the GoPro Hero 13? And what is it going to have? I'm not spreading the rumors. People are. And started out about February 14th to the 17th, the file was made and it's been approved. And, 6 months later, people already got the camera out, they debuted their video, and the price is up there. How sweet is that? Do we know if DJI did the same thing? Started their FCC filing for the Osmo Action 5. Well, this camera's first getting matured. There may be another software coming out by April. Yeah, they may have something that you may want to have and like. Don't get your expectations up. Listen to the crunch. Don't get your expectations up too high because you may not love it. And you're just going to fall short. And you're going to say, oh man, why did I get that? And that's what happens sometimes. Oh man, I'm like, oh yeah, I'm waiting for mine. I'm going to be waiting a little longer. I don't get AI sometimes. It's supposed to be smart. And when you say things real nice and simple and easy, and you keep to the topic, I just don't get you. Oh, oh, I smell gas. Oh, there's a gas leak right here. Oh, I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about the city gas. How's that bus passing? Was it loud? You still heard me nice and comfortable? Do you like to have things where you don't hear any background sound and you just hear the person? Oh, the birds are chirping. You don't hear that anymore. Oh, you hear sirens and cars and trucks and planes and people. Noise. You like it? Well, I had my talk, I had my share, had my walk. I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot. I'm going to put you away for now, and we'll talk another day. And on that note, I hope you enjoyed the Allura Tech. Oh, did you see? I have somewhere over here is my DJI mic too. Just the cable on. It's not hooked up. But let's get going and catch you another day.